In May of 2021, we embarked on a trip out west, taking us from Missouri through Colorado into Utah and finally into Arizona. Leaving St. Louis, the first day of travel took us to Goodland, Kansas, where we see the 80-foot-high reproduction of Van Gogh's painting, Three Sunflowers in a Vase, erected in 2001. The following day would take us the length of Colorado, with some beautiful stops along the way and our first ever trip through and across the Rocky Mountains. After meeting up with our family from Iowa in Georgetown, Colorado, we headed up to the Continental Divide at Loveland Pass and its 12,000-foot elevations. There was just enough snow left to see some skiers and snowboarders. Breathing at this elevation for the first time is definitely more labor than the 600-foot elevation of St. Louis. Until 1973, Loveland Pass was the only way over the Rockies in this area, until the completion of the 1.6-mile Eisenhower Tunnel on Interstate 70, one of the highest vehicular tunnels in the world. After passing through the tunnel, we continue our way to Utah, passing through the extremely beautiful Glenwood Canyon via the split-level portion of Interstate 70. Once at the bottom of Glenwood Canyon, we sat upon the shore of the Colorado River for the first time, as we watched several rafters trying their hand at the awaiting rapids. After leaving Glenwood Canyon, we exit the Western Rockies and finish the day's journey at our main destination to enjoy a 5-day stay in Moab, Utah, which is where we will meet you in the next video. Goodbye for now.